With the new visualization filters for the stagnant water volume and waiting time of potable water pipes, you'll spot critical situations in your system at first glance. This gives you excellent control over the potable water system you have created. The waiting time filter shows consumers with a higher waiting time than desired. Define the maximum waiting time criteria individually. The stagnant water volume visualization filter highlights consumers that are connected to pipe segments with more than 3 liters of non-circulating water. For optimal results, use the clear highlighting of the new visualization filters to find critical situations in the system and correct them in the model.